guys. Okay, are you ready? Hold on, I gotta plug my phone in, sorry. Alright, I've got my 3, I know it feels like I should have 20 of them, but I got my 3 journals together and my stuff sewed in. So, you ready? We're gonna do some flip throughs just so you can see what we got. Let me make sure. Alright, I'm here. I know I've kind of got all my stuff a little wonky. Alright, hope you're having a good day. I know. Hey, this is still another part of our birthday week. I like having a birthday week. I might have to fake another birthday and have it again. I don't know. Why not? What the heck? It's fun, huh? Alright, so here's this one. Oh, so, I know. Oops. So we have some graph paper. And then this is, the journal. The Summer's Bounty. I do need to come back. I know I said that last time I was going to put some other flowers in there, and I did not. But, well, let's just, excuse my arm. I know, hello, up in your face. Let's just put a few on here while we're here so I don't forget it again. Alright, so we're just going to put some brown. Oh, it finally stopped raining. Whew. Yep. It's a wet mess, wet, hot, humid mess out there. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you. It's like being in Houston again. Not quite. But whoo, it kind of feels like it. Alright, so I finally put some on here. So now we've got that. Some of my green coffee dye from the kit. The doily, I put on some deli paper stamped on it. Then we have that one. Then we have our little calendar page that I made a pocket out of. And I'll list all the digitals in the, I guess we'll wait until, well, I don't know, because when we're, I don't know. I don't want to get confused. So, because I have to figure out what name I'm going to call them. And then there's our little notepad paper. Our little chicken house. I know, I had to put that in there with this red. I thought it was pretty. And then some coffee dye wax paper. And then this is the calendar. I stenciled some, the same flowers over there. More browns. And then this is part of a little book page that we're going to attach something to. And then this is some of my blue coffee dye, which I love this color. I wish I'd made a ton of them, but I didn't. But it goes so pretty with that rooster. Oh. And then I just thought putting in some little book page just gave, pulled in a little bit of the dark and black in here. And what are they doing with the fig? I don't know. It's an arrangement, so I'm guessing they were making an arrangement with it. Oh. And then this is the center pocket. And like I said, I just sewed them all in with the black wax linen, just because I've got all the black stitching and stuff in there. And I just thought this went good with this because, the colors, but it pulled a little bit of the reddish pink over there. Oh, and I know we're not supposed to be sticking anything in here, but I can't remember, did I say I liked this on this page? Or did I say I liked this on this page? I know I'm going to have to go back and watch my stinking videos. So I guess I'll have to go back and watch my video because I can't remember what page I decided I liked. Because we have, we could always, and then you're taking up a good, coffee dye page. Alright, I know, I had cake after lunch. It does mess with my mind. Oh. I guess we'll just do a flip through, and then we'll just go from each journal and put their stuff in there. And so that way we can give it a name, so we can keep it straight. Hopefully, huh? No promises. No promises. Oh, I love that sound. Oh, but did you hear? I put crinkle in the covers too. Yeah. Do, 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 do. I know, it's too quiet in here. Oh, got to do this. Got to put some more flowers over here. Oop. You know, you can't ink your get any stenciling on if you don't put ink on it. Oh, with my lid on there. Like I said, trying to make sure I don't put the wrong thing in the wrong ink. I think we need some green right here. I know it was a little bare. And then I did notice I've got, oh good grief, what did I do to my napkin? Got a little bit of brown on there, so I'm just gonna kind of rub it off on my paper towel. Alright, so that one's got it on front and back. I know one's heavier than the front. I don't know, maybe no. I know. I should have known better. To even partially have that come out of my mouth. Need a little more flowers on here. There we go. Now I'm happier. It's all about Candace being happy, huh? Yeah. Well. Okay, so this is this one. I don't know. We might call it like chicken roost. I don't know. Because he's not one of my chicken journals. Because, you know, I haven't even showed y'all those. We got to finish these first. Oh my gosh. And then here's the other one. And then here. Yep. Okay, so we have this one. I'm guessing this is going to be like fruit. We might call him Fruity Tooty. I don't know. But it's got mostly, you know, fruits and birds in there. So. And then I thought this went pretty against there. Some coffee dye. Some more of that graph with some stencil. I know I stenciled both on here. I got wise to my first oops. And then this was in my flower arrangement, you know, with fresh fruits and stuff. So I just thought this went really pretty with that. I bet that smells good, cinnamon and orange. I can smell it from here. And I did decide I want this one on that page, but we're not looking at that right now. It talked to me, it screamed at me, and I'm like, okay, I listened, all right. So I just paper clipped that bad boy in there. And I laced it in with that paper clip too. Oh. And then I just put like little double. This is some parchment paper. And this is some of the light painter's paper. I just thought that was a cute little something different. I didn't want them all to be the exact same, but they're similar. And then this one, you know, another coffee dye doily that I put on deli paper, and then I glued these little labels on. Oh, here, we'll just use this. No. Hold on. Obviously, I've used my... Whoops! Making a mess. Oh, dear Lord. Nothing like struggling to get a journal card. But anyway, I put that. That's a label from inside of the Summer's Bounty Ephemera kit. So I thought that would be something different on our doily to make a little tuck spot. Raspberries. Oh, and then I know this is a little bit bright, but the reds and reds just, you know, he's having a good old time there, because that's the picnic table, you know, and so he's on the branch looking down at the picnic table saying, all right, y'all, bring the food, I'm ready. And then I just thought this went cute together. And then this is, I took 2 pieces of a notepad that I have from a spiral notebook, and washi taped them together so I could sew them in so I can make it bigger. And then this is some of the leftover coffee dyed paper that's in the beginning. wherever, right here, because you know I had to cut it off a little bit. So I just folded it over and put it over to reinforce these square holes, and then we'll come back and do our regular, you know, like I do. I like to poke holes in there and string some string or yarn or something through there. That's that manila paper that just, oh, pretty. And then this is a stamp off page that I had, and I said that goes perfect in here with all these colors and stuff, so I glued it. It's just one big thick piece of paper now. I glued it to this page for the center signature. I know I usually make pockets and stuff, but this was on like 20-pound paper, so it couldn't hold up to it. So, but I just thought it was pretty. So yeah, we definitely gonna have to put something on this whiteness. We'll find something. We have plenty of papers and stuff from her kit. And look, oh, we got strawberries in the refrigerator. We were supposed to have strawberry shortcake, but John brought a cake. So now we got some cake and strawberry shortcake stuff. Oh yeah, nothing like gaining 5 pounds, you know. Oh well, happy birthday. Oh, this just looks like if you could actually take them and squish the juice out, mix a little water in there, and if it would dye your papers that color, oh man, that would just be beautiful, huh? And then this is from her Facebook freebies, and I just glued this one on here because it was like the perfect size. And you know, these apples in here aren't quite yellow, they're more pinky yellow, like I guess Macintosh apples, so I thought that went good on this with this paper. And then our other little pages. Oh. So yeah, y'all have to show some pictures if you're working with the Summer's Bounties. Share some pictures on the Facebook group at Journal Me Crazy groups. Well, it's Facebook groups / Journal Me Crazy, and post some of your creations that you made. You know, it doesn't have to just post things that inspired by things I make. Just anything you make. It's so pretty. And then, so that one. Oh, all right. So that's our fruit, Tutti Frutti. I don't know. I might end up calling him Tutti Frutti. I don't know. But this butterfly, I just love this, you know, fabric when I saw it. Let me make sure yep. Okay. So I've got all of him. Isn't this pretty? I love this little digital here. And then this is another one. Like I said, I'll list the actual names when we you know, we'll come back and do a little glue in with each one's name. And some of my galaxy dye paper. I just thought it went really pretty with the kit paper. Oh, and I'm in love with this digital. Oh, geez Louise. And I just thought these colors went so good together. And then this is just a piece of the graph paper that I glued together, and we're going to make little side tuck pockets. That's, you know, my little idea paper clip. I know, got to figure out what I'm going to do there. But I just thought, you know, these pinkies went with all that. And then I had to put some botany book page in there. And then I found this. I thought this was pretty. And I did the same thing like this. It's the 2 pages because they weren't sewn together. I had to, you know, tear them out. So I just overlapped them and then glued them together so I can sew them in so I can make one larger page. And to have the botany definitions in there. Oh, and I love this. This is actually a Christmas farmhouse kit. But, yeah, there's like 4 pages from there that I love, and it goes year round, and I mean, does it not go with all this? Oh. And then this is a book page that I just took a scrap piece of my deli paper and sewed on there so we have pockets on front and back, because, you know, we have so many little ephemera pieces in here, so we'll be able to use them for little tuckies. And then I made my pocket. And then this is a Facebook freebie from TheJunkJournalStudio. And I used that for my center because it was just, oh, had all these everythings in there. And it went with our fabrics, you know. But yeah, this is a big kit. I showed it in my Etsy share, you know, way back when. But it's got tons of pages. That's the one that has like 1,000,000 flower seed envelope things that, oh my gosh. I only printed one to show you because there was just so many of them. There's like 20 something and it's just beautiful. But, you know, when your 32-pound paper runs you $20 a ream, you've got to cut back on printing. I know, it's horrible, huh? Oh, but I love this page from the arrangement. I just thought that was so pretty. But look how pretty. I mean, it just, I know, duh. That's why I put it in here. That's why I spent hours going through a gazillion sets to figure out which ones I want. I was a mess. I sent Laura a picture of my mess because she's like, well, "How do you put all your pieces, you know, your things together when you mix them?" And I'm like, "Oh, girl." So it's quite the ordeal. But that's what happens when you have too many digitals and you want, and you know that you like got this other page that will go in with this one, but then you got to find it. So then you spread it all, you know, everywhere. Ugh. It makes quite the mess. But you know, look at what you get when you're done. Oh, little masterpieces. I mean, this is beautiful. Just looks like somebody stitched. Reminds me of, you know, Elke's slow stitch. Oh. But yep. So there we go. We have little wild strawberries out all the time. We see them in the ground. I've never picked it up and tried to eat it because, you know, I figured they're on the ground. Maybe humans don't need to eat them. I don't know. But, alright. Well, this is just a quick little video of a flip through of the three journals that we're going to be putting our creations in, and then more of the Summer's Bounties ephemeras inside of it so we can get these done so we can go on to our chickens. I know, the chicken ones are so stinking cute. I can't wait for them either. And then, anyway, alright. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. And like I said, well, I'll come back and we'll do each one separately and start working in it. And then that way I'll put the actual digitals on each separate little thing. Like I said, I got to figure out what I'm going to call it. You know, I don't know. I might just call that Tutti Frutti. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe we'll just call it Fruits and Birds. I don't know. Remember that movie? Something about Mary Franks and Beans. Franks and Beans. Okay, y'all. I know. But that's where that just took me. Okay. So thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing some of your time. And let's get working into these things and get them finished. And thanks to my new subbies. I got some new subbies. Thank y'all for subscribing. I hope you like it. And I hope you stick around, even though, you know, we're doing our little giveaway week of things just to celebrate my birthday. I hope you stick around afterwards and find some things that inspire you and stuff that you like. You know, can't twist your arm, but I sure wish I could. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right. So y'all have a great day and a blessed day. So lots of kisses, lots of love, and thanks for everything that everybody has said and all the birthday wishes and everything else. I couldn't do this without you, and I'm so happy that you're here with me. So I'll see y'all later. Bye, guys.